Hello friends, so in this video tutorial of Power BI, we will create hierarchies in Power BI matrix. So how we will create this hierarchy in Power BI matrix? So this is our Power BI screen and we have a table here orders. So I just click over this table order. So we have categories, cities and country and all the information. Here we want to create a matrix and that matrix should be according to the hierarchies. So benefit of this uh, creating a hierarchies way of creating a matrix is that like we can have more data in some specified area. So that is the benefit like we can get from a matrix. We can have segment wise division of data, category wise. So we can have a separate hierarchical way of showing the data and more data in a specific area. So first of all, we will click on the matrix. So we have a format of matrix with us. Now, after having a format, we have in matrix rows, column and values. So in rows, what we will do, I will take in rows your cities first. If I will put cities in rows, so we have cities, not in cities, I will, sorry, in cities. So we have cities in row. Beside that, we also want our region also. So I will put region above your cities. So we can know in which region we have which cities. And beside that, what we can take, we will take our states also. And I will take states above our cities. So our data is in hierarchical way like region, states and cities. So if I will click on central, we can see our data according to our states, and if I will click on a particular some state, we will find out the cities. So this way we have hierarchical way. Beside that, I also take values in our sales column. So we have sales according to our region. And now if I want to, we have some buttons here. So this is our expand all level of detail. If I will click on this button, so we can find out our region, states and cities wise performance of our sales. So, and if you want to go back, we can click over drilled up. So we can go back. So now we have states, and then if I will click over this, oh, then we are like we if we want to consolidate that report, then we can click over here. And if you want to expand it, we can click in this button. So this way we can have regions and some of it. Beside that, we also have a column here. So in this column, what we will do, I will take our category. So now we have sales according to our categories also. And if we even need subcategory, like if we have a subcategory here and I want to put this subcategory also, so now we can have data according to categories and subcategories, and that is according to our row column wise. So I will take column and then I will put expand all level. So now according to our category, we have our sales also, like category and subcategory, we have both things. If I will put this above, it's not work, I will just take it below this category and subcategory. Now it's okay. If I will expand all level of details, so now according to our categories and subcategories, we have detail of our sales. So this is best way to see our reportings and how we can do reportings in your Power BI. And like there are other things like we can do with this data. Like if we want some, we have this totals here, like central total, and beside that our state total. So if we want to do some formatting with that, I will go here in format button. And if we want rows subtotal or column subtotal, if we don't want them, we can just remove them. So our data will be removed. Row subtotal, that will also be removed. So this way we can add and subtract our subtotals. And if we want to color them, I will just go over there and in values, and if you want to give it some more color, text color, like if you want to give them a color, some different color, so that it can be shown. And now if you want to show this data, So we have to on this also. Now apply all labels, so we can see some data here. Like I have text color given bold, background color I will give some other color. Okay, and now we will just click over this. Now we have this totals, and we have a different color for them. Apply to all labels. We have done totals color, and text color is not changing, so we just check it out. We have to go to the values here column. In the values we can do that. We can bold if you want to, like whatever changes we can like to make, we can made here in our format your visualization. So that's all in this video.